Hi, I'm Katie at Bubble Affair. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my lemon print candles. So using a napkin, I open it up flat. The napkin usually has 3 layers, so you want to remove the first and the second layer. Now these can be a bit fiddly, as I found. You'll see I've edited, chopped to where I did find the corner, pull them back very gently, but it will always go down to just one single piece and it's super thin. So lay it flat. And then I cut down the edges. Often they have like a little imprint along the edges. I like to cut that part off and find the centre of the napkin that I want to use for the print. So wherever the pattern is that you most want to use, and cut to size for your candle. This was a nice easy one because I've got straight lines on here to follow, but you only need a rough guide. As long as it, to the eye, it looks straight, you'll be fine. And then peel off any stickers you have on the bottom of the candles. They usually come with a barcode or a price, something stick to the bottom. And then gently and nice and straight along the top, roll the napkin around your candle. And then I just cut off any excess napkin paper. So you just want it so it touches the end but doesn't overlap too much. Once we've wrapped that around, we're going to fold over on the bottom. So we want the print of the candle to go all across the bottom as well. Makes it nice and pretty. So next I get it's called parchment paper or baking paper, available at most supermarkets. And you want to cut this so you want it so it's wider than the candle. I'm going to wrap that around so that it covers all the napkin paper. And what I try and do is I want it so it goes over the very top of the candle, but also so that it covers the bottom as well. And just make sure it's nice and straight and roll. And again, just cut off any extra parchment paper. So I'm using this is not a standard iron, but you can use a standard iron. This is actually a Cricut little iron, but a standard iron's fine on low heat. You just want to go around the candle in circles. It takes quite a while, but you will see the parchment paper tends to change. I've folded over the bottom here, so we're going to do the bottom as well. So all the paper napkin and the decoration is across the bottom of the candle as well. And just keep going until you see it goes slightly glossy and you'll know it's attached to the wax. And unpeel for your reveal. And there you have a lemon candle. And you can do these all different kinds. And don't forget to subscribe for more of my craft tutorials.